Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Josiah Carlson, PhD, and this video is basically here to introduce you to me because I'm not interesting or famous enough for anyone else to do it for me. Aha! So here you go. Long story short, I've got a doctorate in theoretical computer science. I'm a 19, 20-year Python user and veteran, and many other things. So let's start from the top and go from there. Let's see, a bunch of years ago, I graduated with a bachelor's in computer science with a minor in mathematics from Macalester College in St. Paul. After that, I went to UC Irvine, where I received a PhD in theoretical computer science. I defended in December of 2007, and my degree was conferred in the spring of 2008, because that's how these things go. I didn't end up going to the ceremony because, well, there were a bunch of things going on and I didn't think my parents were going to come. So, yeah. Anyways, other things. Like I said, I'm a Python user for about 19 years. I'm the former core maintainer of Async Core, Async Chat, and related libraries. I'm also the solo author and or maintainer of about a half a dozen open source projects in Python, mostly Python, one in Lua, and yeah. I'm a former poster in Complang Python, Python Dev, Python List, WX Python users, comp data compression, the Redis mailing list, and others. I'm author of several hundred answers to questions on most of those mailing lists at some time or another, and my answers on the Redis mailing list ultimately resulted in my, or an offer to write a book, which I wrote, called Redis in Action, which I wrote over 9 months of evenings and weekends while my wife was pregnant with our first child. All of that was an adventure, as you can imagine. After grad school, or while grad school, as I was finishing, I was working for a company called Networks in Motion. We did GPS navigation. I got to work on routing around traffic incidents, sending incidents to users, and similar. And yeah, after that, I went to join Google and YouTube. At YouTube, I got to work on user profile pages, the home page. I got to rewrite the groups package and things like that. After Google and YouTube, I joined a company called Adly, following a friend of mine from Google YouTube. And we built an ad network, built an ad targeting platform in Redis and Python. That's actually where I was introduced to Redis. Built Twitter analytics platform in Redis and some other things, and got to work and build a great team there. Was chief architect at Adly. Then after Adly, I was chief architect at ChowNow, and also co-founder, where we built a meal ordering platform, again, Python, Redis, and similar technologies. And then after ChowNow, I was chief architect at a company called Zeconomy before they went and buy Coastal. Online banking services and financing for businesses. Built several versions, and then it was time to move on. And then I went to OpenMail System 1, where I was VP of Technology there, where I mostly really acted as ETL team lead and co-manager with another brilliant individual, where I got to basically deal with a lot of data for ads and ad flows and processing of said ad flows. And about a year and a half ago, I quit that to do what I'm doing now, which is basically forking Redis to make it better into what I like to call struct-D, the structure daemon. For the high-level things, 35 to 65% faster snapshot creation time, load time, 99.8% reduced memory during snapshot, 50 to 70% reduced cold replica startup time, and 80 to 97% reduced TLS unwrapping compared to an external daemon. So yeah, those are the things that I've been doing recently. That's the stuff that I've done in the past. I've done Python for 19 and a half, almost 20 years, C for 19 and a half, almost 20 years. Professionally in C for, I don't know, you want to say 4 or 5 years. Python for basically all of that. Other languages for the web apps that I've developed, obviously. So yeah, a lot of fun, a lot of work, and I hope that I'm able to help you in the future. Thank you.